Hello friends, welcome to Kavish IAS, Converting Possibilities into Reality. We have come with this new section of Suggestives where certain crucial daily news shall be analysed with special emphasis on social growth and development. These portions will also hold significant weightage in UPSC Prelims, Mains as well as in the interview session. Today, in our first session, we will be discussing about the internet boom in Kerala, that is KFON, or as we can call it, Kerala Fibre Optic Network. Here, we are going to review its effects on e-governance, education, privacy, and other aspects of our society. So, let us move on to the session. Kerala government has introduced Kerala Fibre Optical Network KFON, through which it aims to reduce the digital divide in the state by securing high-speed broadband internet access to all houses and government offices. Kerala becomes the first state to declare the right to internet as a basic right. Now, the question arises that if one state in our nation can take such an initiative, why not the rest of India? Is it truly lucrative as it sounds, or does it have any repercussions as well? Hence, before concluding if it's beneficial or detrimental to our society, analyzing the various aspects of providing free internet is an important part of the study. Among the various boons of free internet as a universal right to the citizens of India, one of the best gifts that this facility can provide is aiding to right to education. Many rural families in our country who can't afford to pay for internet can now access free education from top services. Internet can bridge this gap between providers and desirers. Another boon of free internet is better collaboration at different sectors like social welfare, banking, security, foreign relations, etc. Hence, connecting all of them in one string enabling smoother and faster e-governance. This would not only resolve issues among different sectors at a faster rate, but also would be beneficial for cloud monitoring and data storage from all the sectors. Along with these, sharing information with the larger section of people is always preferable for easier, faster, and efficient delivery of message. Another crucial contribution that free internet can impart is connecting every section of India in the same string, from rural to urban, man to woman, officer to daily wager, teacher to student, as well as leader to follower. Such a networking will not only cut the economical barrier of our country, but would also help unite its citizens across different sections of professions. With free and universal internet, the social representatives like those of NSS, Anganwadi, Yuva Pratibha, Poshan Abhiyan, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, etc. can be trained from a distance. The need for movement will be reduced to nearly zero. Now, all these benefits can in turn cut monetary expenses and save time, which is our biggest currency. This time and money can be utilized in other developmental programs of both the government and the beneficiaries. An inevitable threat to internet users today is cyber attack. If the government monitors cyber security of the nation, it would be able to keep a check on online scams and protect the innocent common man from such attacks. Overall, the count of cyber crimes can be reduced to a great extent. Coming to the potential demerits of government providing free and universal internet to its citizens, if the government is helping us with such a facility, should we be worried that it can also check, monitor and modulate the content that we avail on the service? Should we be concerned if this is a breach to our right to privacy? Whether the authority will be ready to give us explanation regarding the same remains a questionable matter. Now, what can the nation learn from Kerala? States like Bihar, Odisha, West Bengal, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana have the least internet penetration. As per reports, students deprived of internet are committing grave mistakes as it becomes an impediment in their learning process. Although online education is not as efficient as offline one-to-one interactive classes, still, such a universal and free internet access as one of the basic rights can augment the core education, marketing and governance in such states, which in turn will be a boon to our national economy. After learning the various aspects of such a drastic change in the administrative and social regimen in India, it becomes crucial for us to consider if internet as a basic right is really a boon or a bane for us. In the end, please feel free to contact us for any suggestions or clarifications about recent daily contents in the chat box or through messages to the number given. Thank you and have a nice day.